Hi, welcome back, and we're going to continue with a little bit of drawing here on merge shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a cube. Okay, so I just show you the technique on how I'm going to draw this. I draw a perfect, no, a rectangle. And let's look at the size of the rectangle. Let's make it 4 cm. So that's the width of my rectangle shape. Okay, so the next shape that I'm going to draw here is this diamond shape. So I draw a diamond like this, but I don't want this diamond to be double the size of this. This is 4, so this should be 8. 8. And I do not want my drawing to have any outline. Let me just make it into the lighter color, yellow. You notice there is a black color border around it. So I do not want to have any outline. Therefore, I will just format shape. I go to the line. I tell them no line. Okay, so now you see there's no line. I'm going to place this right on top like this. Let me just change this to a different color. So for this guy, the fill, solid fill, let me change it to green. All right, you go. So you notice that I'm moving it around top like this. Okay, so I'm going to make a few copy of this. I'm going to move this up, Control Shift to make sure it's straight. Move it down until here. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to draw this cube. I need to cut off the top part of the, right? So it's here. I need to cut off. So I just bring this up here in a straight line. So just make sure you see all the red dots to make sure that they are straight. All right, so now I'm going to select the yellow. Remember, I want to keep the yellow, so I select the yellow, I select the green. Then what I'll do is I will go into my shape format, right? And the shape format, this merge shape, I will just subtract. There you go, it's subtract. And I'll just move this one down, move this one down. Now I'm going to select the yellow and the green. This time I'm going to union it. There you go, it's union. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make sure that I have another rectangle drawn, but this time make sure that it does not comes with any, let me just make it orange in color. Make sure there is no outline and just touch the edge here. See the red color line, see when I move near, see the red color line? Yeah, when you see the red color line means they are exactly at the edge. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select the yellow, click this particular shape here, and what do? I subtract. There you go. And what am I going to do next here is I'm going to select this shape. I will go to shape fill, rotate, and I'm going to flip it over. But I'm not going to flip it over now because I haven't made a copy. I'm going to drag this one over, hold down my Control and Shift, then I flip it over. I'm going to use a different color now. I'm going to make a darker color. And the top one, I'm going to make another darker color. There you go. So now I have the shape. So what you do is you select all the shape by just surrounding it, right click and group them. Now you can make it smaller to the shape or size that you want. Right. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and you can draw this cube on your own. Right. Happy trying. Thank you so much.